Okay, folks, I'd share this with everybody. This is flat tappet lifter failure part two for us here. So we had a big block Mopar did the same thing this was doing, except it didn't do it until it went into the car. I cannot get this Pontiac to, but I went in and I want you to look right here. This engine is plenty hot, and I could not get this thing to, see that? This thing is, these lifters are bleeding down, and now we did a compression check on it. See there? See there, folks? Those lifters are bleeding down. That's what's going on. This is becoming an issue. On the Mopar, we went to a set of Johnson high lift, and it solved it. I know Butler Performance, I got them for Pontiacs. I guess that's the route we're gonna have to go. This is getting ridiculous. I don't know what's going on with these lifters, but now got to peel the top of this thing off, and it's not. No, it's not a cam. We've got plenty of travel on the cam. These lifters are just bleeding down. So, folks, when you get these flat tappet lifters, just be aware. I think it looks like I'm going to have to make sure I go with Johnson high lifts on every single one if it's a flat tappet. This is ridiculous. I'm seeing issues here with the suppliers of these flat tappet lifters. So, yay me, I get to pull the top of the Pontiac off.